Comradery Health Agency presenting Why People Don't Buy Life Insurance series. Why don't people buy life insurance? One reason they give is too expensive. The second reason, I have enough insurance already. 3, it's complicated. 4, not enough time. 5, the government won't take care of my family. 6, I do not get sick. 7, I will never die. The Enoch Theory. First reason, too expensive. One of the most common myths about life insurance is that it's too expensive. According to the life insurance research organization LIMRA, 81% of the uninsured American polled said they did not purchase life insurance because it's too expensive. However, the survey also found that the majority of the people overestimated the cost of life insurance by 3 times or more. To illustrate this point, LIMRA's 2022 Insurance Barometer study asked the individual what they felt the price of a 20-year-old $250,000 level term life insurance policy would be for a 30-year-old person in good health. Surprisingly, the median estimated given by those surveyed was $500, more than 3 times the actual cost.
That means that they could be missing out on the protection they need for all the wrong reasons.
Secondly, I have enough insurance already. Life insurance is not about face value. For example, you have a set amount of income from your paycheck and a lot of priorities vying for a piece of it. There are car payments, rent or mortgage payment, and of course, those student loan payments that seem to stick around long after your last days on campus. But when you think about it, what could happen if you passed away? The real question is, can you really afford to go without life insurance? If you passed it away, a number of expenses might get passed along to the people you care about the most. First, they will likely be covering the cost of your funeral out of pocket, which the national median cost for a funeral with a viewing or burial is $7,848, and it costs $6,971 for a funeral and cremation in 2021. Secondly, if a relative or significant other co-sign on your house or car or student loans, those debts may become their burden to bear, with the average student debt or per graduate reaching $27,000 in the public and $33,700 for a private 4-year institution. That's a hefty tab to pick up. Number 3, it's complicated.
To some, buying life insurance is complicated, confusing, and well, just no fun. Who wants to think about his or her mortality? But we all know stories of people who had unthinkable happen. They lost a spouse or parent unexpectedly. It is at that time that they wish they had taken the time to sift through the confusing topic.
Comradery Health Agency website allows you to understand the different life insurance options, as well as having access to a licensed broker. Number 4,
not enough time. If you ask someone how they are doing, the general response is busy. Busy with work, busy with kids, busy with life. Being busy with life makes it hard to squeeze in those not so fun things to do, such as life insurance. Life insurance is usually one of the things that we get done tomorrow. After all, you're not going to die anytime soon because you are young, you are healthy, or just death does not happen to you or your family.
Number 5,
why don't people buy life insurance? The government will take care of my family. The truth of the matter, in the state of Illinois Department of Human Service, the maximum that DHS will pay is $1,370 for a funeral, $686 for a cremation and burial. If you are receiving some kind of family service in your passing, example, general assistance. In 2020, the Social Security Administration pays survivors a single disbursement of $255 on the death of their eligible family member. So you can't depend on the government to help protect your family.
Number 6,
why people don't buy life insurance? Another reason, I do not get sick. Great, your health is directly linked to life insurance premium you pay, which will be lower depending on your height and weight, BMI. No matter how great your health condition, we're all going to die. The question is, how would I protect my family? How does life insurance protect my family?
7,
why people don't buy life insurance? I would never die. The Enoch Theory. I guess you'll keep paying taxes. It's hard for you to think about your mortality, but that is something that we all have to face. In the Bible, Enoch walked with God, and he was no more, for God took him. Genesis 5:21-24. Even if this would happen to you, how are you going to protect your family? Life insurance will provide the income needed to keep alive the dream you have for your children, even when you are no longer here to provide.
Comradery Health Agency offers life insurance to help you protect your family. To learn more about life insurance, go to www.comraderyhealthagency.com for a free consultation or call us at 224-433-5754. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Comradery Health Agency TV.